frogs, are you ready to do more addition and subtraction stories today? I loved my sparkly jewels so much that I decided to use them again today. I already wrote out my number sentence. So I have squares for my numbers and a circle for my symbol. We have to decide, are we adding or subtracting today? So I know that Cheyenne has 2 heart-shaped jewels and 1 circle jewel. She has 2 hearts and 1 circle. So she has 2 hearts and 1 circle. I want to know how many sparkly jewels Cheyenne has. So if I know she has 2 hearts and 1 circle, what are we going to do? Yeah, we're going to add those 2 numbers together. So 2 plus 1, what does that equal? Yeah, Cheyenne has 3 sparkly jewels. 2 of them were hearts, 1 was a circle. She has 3 all together. Another way I could say that is that she has 3 in all. Sometimes we see that in our math stories. Now this time, I know that Nathan has 5 sparkly jewels. So I'm gonna have 5 sparkly jewels. Okay. There are Nathan's 5 sparkly jewels. I see that 3 of them are yellow. So he has 5. 3 of them are yellow. I want to know how many are not yellow. How many are another color? So if there were 5, we started with 5. We know that 3 of them are yellow. Are we adding or are we subtracting today? Do we know how many he has? Yeah, we know that his total is 5 and that 3 of them are yellow. So I think we're subtracting today. So if I have 5 sparkly jewels and 3 of them are yellow, how many are not yellow? How many are not yellow? Yeah, there are 2 that are not yellow. 5 take away 3 equals 2. Okay. Let's do one more. Okay. Ariana has 6 jewels. So here are Ariana's 6 jewels. Ariana has 6 jewels. 3 of them are pink. So I'm going to circle the pink ones. 3 of them are pink. I want to know how many of them are green. So Ariana has 6 sparkly jewels. 3 of them are pink. The rest are green. How many are green? Do we need to add or subtract? Yeah, we need to subtract again. 6 take away 3 equals what? How many green are left? Yeah, 6 take away 3 equals 3. So we know that Ariana has 3 green jewels. Great job. Let's take a look at our math book. Hold on, let me get my math book out. Okay, it says that we're going to complete the number sentence we're putting together or taking apart. This one says, how many flies are there in all? They want to know the total. So if we're trying to find the total, are we gonna add or subtract? Yeah, we're gonna add. So I'm gonna put my symbol in before I even get my numbers. So I know there are 3 flies in this group. So I have to write the number 3. How many flies are in this group? Yeah, just 1. So if I have 3 flies plus 1 more, how many flies are there in all? There are 4 flies in all. Great job. Now this one says there are 4 flies in all. So we're starting with our big number. How many flies are hiding behind the leaf? So they're telling me there are 4 flies. We can see that 3 of them are on the leaf. And it says there's some hiding behind. So, am I going to add or subtract? Yeah, I'm going to subtract because I know my whole number, my total number is 4. And I can see 3 of them on the leaf. So I need to subtract to find out how many are hiding behind the leaf. 4 take away 3 equals 1. There is 1 fly hiding behind the leaf. Look, there he is. This one wants to know how many flies are there all together. Ooh, all together means I'm finding a big number. And I have 2 groups. And it looks like these flies are coming to the leaf. So that means I'm adding. I'm finding the big number. I can see in my picture that flies are coming to the leaf. So my number is going to get bigger. Good. How many flies are on the leaf? Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 flies on the leaf. How many are coming? 2 more are coming. How many flies are there in all? 5 plus 2. So put 5 in your head, say 5 and count on. 6, 7. There are 7 flies in all. Or 7 flies all together. Good, let's turn the page. Ooh, we don't have flies anymore. We have some owls and some fruit. This says, how many owls are there all together? Ooh, so we're finding the big part, the big whole number. Do we add or subtract when we're looking for the whole number? Yeah, we add. So we're going to add our owls together. How many owls are on this branch? Yeah, there are 3 owls on this branch. How many owls are on this branch over here? Yep, there's 2 owls over there. 3 plus 2 equals how many owls? What is our total number of owls? Put 3 in your head and count on. 3, 4, 5. Good. 5 owls all together. So now it says add or subtract. So we have to pay attention to the symbol. We have to look at the symbol. It's not always going to be one or the other. So you always have to look at the symbol. So this says 6 plus 2 equals what? So I have 6 kiwi and 2 raspberries. Do I have to count my 6 kiwi? No, it told me how many there were. I can count on. I can say 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Good. And then this time they had 8. And they took 6 away. So I'm going to circle my 6 kiwi because those ones are the ones that went away. If 8 take away 6, how many fruit are left? I have 2 raspberries left. 8 take away 6 equals 2. Ooh, now let's look at the lemons and limes. There are 7 lemons and 3 limes. we are going to add them together to find out how much fruit we have. So put 7 in your head, 7, and count on 8, 9, 10. I have 10 fruit. Now, it says we have 10. We know that the total is 10. And we're going to take 7 away. So I'm going to circle that group of 7. That's what went away. You could even cross it out if you want, because that's the 7 that went away. How many fruit are left? Yeah, I have 3 fruit left. 3 fruit are left. Great job today. Make sure when you're doing your practice, you have to look at the symbol in the middle, because it's going to tell you if you're putting the numbers together to make them bigger or taking them apart to make them smaller. Great job today, guys. Bye-bye.